Susie, how is the rental market going at the moment?
The rental market tends to be quite seasonal, so the trends for rental market are strongly sort of October through to February. So what we're seeing is we're starting to lean towards a softer market. During the peak season, rental demand was quite high, and consequently our yields and returns were quite strong, and we certainly saw a sort of 5% to 10% increase in the rental yield during that peak season.
What demographics are showing a lot of interest in the rental market?
In terms of demographics, I think strongly student market is what is the strongest at the moment. When I say the student market, they tend to sort of come back to their university year in March. So from about February onwards, they start to look for accommodation. So we're certainly seeing quite a strong interest from the student market, especially in the city.
Which suburbs are currently quite popular for rental properties?
Suburbs for rentals is always about convenience. So the rental market is strongly looking at properties that are close to the city, where they're conveniently located to the city, to their work, or to conveniences, shops, transport, etc. So anything within a 5 kilometre radius of the city is certainly highly sought after.
How are properties in the executive rental market going?
Executive market's certainly slowing. We tend to find that peaks around December and January, when the executive clients are relocating to Adelaide and trying to sort of sort out their accommodation for their family. So most of the contracts for executive market have now pretty much been filled, and we're certainly seeing a strong decline in that market at present.
So what's your final word for investors?
Investors, my thoughts are to really start to lock in any applications that they receive from their real estate agents. Even if they look at perhaps an 8-month lease instead of the normal standard 12 months, just to sort of bring them back in alignment to the strong peak season of sort of November through to March.
And renters?
Renters, my thoughts are that you need to be mindful that the stock is now starting to diminish. It's certainly starting to slow, and so there won't be as much choice around. So don't wait around thinking that something better will come along. The market will start to slow, so there won't be as much choice for them.